Hello children, Ridha ma'am here. Today we will do the chapter tense from our book. Let us begin. Open to page number 2020 of your book. Chapter 8, Tenses, Present and Past. So, what is tense? Tense is something that tells us about time. At what time any action has happened. Let us read. Tenses tell us about time, that is, when an action is performed. So, when that action is performed is tense. Basically, it is about time. It has happened presently or it has happened past. Present means now, this time, now, and past means already which action has happened. Present means now, past means already that action has happened. Read the following sentences. Children play in the garden. In the above sentence, the verb is play. So we have done about verb or action word or doing word. So here, which one in this sentence, which one is the verb or doing word or action word? Play. So in this sentence, the verb is play, which tells us that the action is done now. Children play in the garden. So already they are playing or they play in the garden. Means this action is happening. It is happening now. So it is a present tense. Children play in the garden. If we say, we mean that the children come and they used to play in the garden. Children play in the garden. Or these children, the children are playing. This is happening now. So when we will use play, it will be now, which is present tense. Number 2, children played in the garden. So here, played is the verb or doing word or action word. So if we add ed with this play, ed, it is saying that the children already they have done their playing. It is done. In the above sentence, the verb played tells us that the action took place at an earlier time in the past. Earlier time, that is, it has already happened. The children played in the garden. So it is the past tense. When we are saying play, it means now. When we are saying played, we mean that it has taken place in earlier time in the past. Already played. Play, that is present. Played, that is past. Now read some more sentences. Radha writes a poem. Here the action word is writes. By writes we mean the present. The time is present. So the past form of this sentence will be Radha wrote a poem. So wrote is the past form of this action. Writes, present, that Radha writes a poem. That is presently Radha is doing the same. Radha wrote a poem. Radha already, she has done the job. She wrote a poem. That is past. I jump with joy. Here, jump is the action word which is present. But if we add ed with this action word or doing word or verb, we will get the past tense. I jumped with joy. How we will use? Suppose I got a gift now. So I'm so happy that I'm jumping. Presently I'm jumping. What we will say? I jump with joy. That is presently it is happening. If I got a gift yesterday or 2-3 days back, and now I am saying that I got a gift, what I will say? I jumped with joy. Already 2-3 days back I got a gift, let us suppose. So in that sense, what I will say? I jumped with joy. 2-3 days back. Past. At past I got a gift, and at that time I jumped with joy. That is past tense. Mother cooks dinner. So currently, if I say that mother is cooking, presently she is doing the task. Mother cooks dinner. Before our dinner, 15 minutes, suppose she is cooking and we are waiting. What we will say? Presently mother is, what she is doing? She cooks dinner. We will eat then. Mother cooked dinner. When we are using ed, what we mean? That suppose in last night mother has already cooked. She cooked dinner. In the last night she cooked dinner. That action has already happened. Next is I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. So eat is the verb or doing word or action word. So I eat breakfast. Okay. So this is, we mean present. Present time. I eat breakfast at present. Now, present. But if I say the past form is eat is ate, then what I will say? I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. I already ate. I ate. That is past. And past, I ate breakfast. So ate is the past tense. I ate breakfast at 8 a.m. So 4 sentences we have done. Radha writes a poem. Here writes, it's the present tense. In present sense or present time, we will use writes. And this sentence, if we say in the past, wrote is the past form. That is Radha already wrote. She has already done. Next, I jump with joy. If we add ed with jump, we will get the past tense. Mother cooks dinner, present tense. Mother cooked dinner, past tense. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. That is in present sense we use eat. But if we use ate, ate, that means past tense. I already had that breakfast. Okay. So 4 sentences we have done. In the next class, we will do more changing of present tense into past tense. So the next class I will explain in more details about this thing. Till then, study. If you have any doubt, do write in the comment section. Thank you.